G'day all. I'm going to give you a little demonstration on one of Trev's Supa Burners. Okay, I've got the camera held in one hand, so bear with me as I fill the little Supa Burner up and light it up, and I'll turn the lights off to give you a pretty good idea of how these little Supa Burners work. Alright, pretty prepared, so I'll start. See a few drops coming out the end there. Okay. Light it up. Set something flame. That excess methane will burn off in a few seconds, and then the jet starts. So what's happening is that the methylated, there's no hole in the top here, so there's no breather. This gets warm. This copper tube is the methylated spirits that's coming along the top there. The little jet under here is aimed up, so the methylated spirits is getting superheated, comes through here and comes up as a jet. As it gets hotter, that jet will get more intense. Turn the light off for a sec. These are really great little burners. They put out an immense amount of heat. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up the sound, but this sounds like a blowtorch going off. The reservoir's getting warmer, and as the reservoir's getting warmer, the blowtorch effect is increasing. I'll turn the lights off again. One light, two lights, and that pretty much shows the blue flame that's flying out. Lights back on. Turn the light back off. You can really see how much flame's coming out of these little Supa Burners when the light's off. I hope that's explained to a fair few people who've asked over time how these Supa Burners actually work. It's been going for about 9 minutes. I usually get about 15 minutes going like that with that jet sound and a small amount of methane. Okay guys, I'd like to say thanks for watching as usual, and I hope you enjoyed this video of one of Trev's Supa Burners. Bye for now.